A 20-minute threshold effort creates the same physiological damage as a full hour of easy riding, yet your training log likely counts them as equal. Eric Banister solved this problem in 1975 with TRIMP, or training impulse. He proved that training load isn't just time on your feet. It is the product of duration and your heart rate reserve. However, using average heart rate creates a massive blind spot. Biology is nonlinear. Lactate accumulation doesn't climb in a straight line, so your math shouldn't either. To fix this, we apply exponential weighting, often known as Lucia's or Edwards' TRIMP. This acknowledges that high-intensity minutes cost significantly more than easy minutes. Let's calculate the real cost. An athlete with a 190 max HR runs for 60 minutes at 150 BPM. Their HR reserve usage is 71%, resulting in a TRIMP score of roughly 43. But here is the trap that ruins season planning: cardiac drift. In heat or over long durations, your heart rate rises even if your power output stays stable, inflating your TRIMP score falsely. Therefore, TRIMP is the gold standard for steady-state base building, but it fails during HIIT due to heart rate lag. For intervals, we must switch to power-based metrics. Next, we replace heart rate with power, TSS explained.